welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about two low competition, low content, high demand KDP niches that I would like you to know about. And before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order to see daily videos talking about passive income streams, talking about strategies to make passive income online, including medium.com, vocal media, Creative Fabrica, Amazon KDP, as well as many more. So let's get started with our first niche for the day. And our first niche for the day is, just waiting for it to open, self-reflection journal for anxiety, and the keyword niche score is 55. Total results is 1022, and the average price is $9.97. So as you can see here, there is a great potential to niche down. There is a potential to niche down in terms of gender, making it for boys, for girls, for teens, for different kinds of ages as well, for women, for men, for different kinds of careers. So there's a lot of potential to niche down. And scrolling down here, we have different types of Amazon KDP low content books that are being published and selling quite well. And we know that by just looking at the BSR score and looking at the ratings as well as the comments or the reviews that the book has received. Scrolling down that again, most of these books are not exactly titled Self-Reflection Journal for Anxiety, but they have managed to use this wonderful profitable keyword right here and mention it in either the subtitle or the 7 keyword slots, which is why they're showing the results right now. So we're going to go ahead and continue to scroll down, have a look at what kind of ones are out there. For example, this is more of a gratitude based journal. Now I have gone ahead and created the self-reflection journal for anxiety for you at Creative Fabrica on my store. So if you are a subscriber to Creative Fabrica, you can go ahead and download it, and it offers you full commercial rights as well, and it contains 50 guided prompts written out for you straight away to use. You can also go ahead and upload it to Canva and edit it as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you right now. You'll be easily able to find it, and you can find it here, the anti-anxiety mindfulness prompts, which also falls under the self-reflection. There is also a self-discovery 50 creative writing prompts, which are sized at 6 times 9 inches, and you can easily resize it in Canva, make it 8.5 times 11 or any other size that you are comfortable with. And it includes a how to use page, and it also includes 50 unique written prompts under the mental health niche. For example, this is a self-discovery, this is a mental health, and this is an anti-anxiety. Alternatively, if you do not want to use the prompt journal method, you can go ahead here and write self-reflection, and you get a lot of different ones. For example, here we've got 99 prompts for self-reflection workbook. There is an activity logbook for KDP. So I'm going to go ahead and click on enter so we can see the results, and we are going to filter it by KDP interiors, which gives us 47 results. And as you can tell here, we have lots of fabulous results, including a couple of mine as well. And we also have other ones like self-care, anti-anxiety. There is one specifically for a Black woman, and they've managed to niche down on that more on the mindfulness meditation route as well. A lot of different interiors that you're able to choose from. So go ahead and create a book under this niche, self-reflection journal for anxiety. Now the second niche for today that I would like to share with you is the tarot guided workbook. Tarot a guided workbook keyword has a wonderful keyword niche score of 53, total results under 500, which is a total of 309, and an average price of $12.72. And this wonderful niche right here is more of a guided workbook, so you can have a combination of lined sheets in between, sketch sheets as well for doodling and for drawing. You can also have some creative writing prompts about tarot. Now, if you're not familiar with it, or if you prefer not to make a book about this subject, then go ahead and check out the other videos that I've made about other kinds of profitable keywords that I've broken it down for you one by one. So if you intend to create a book about this, and there are a lot of books that are selling under this keyword, then take advantage of it. Go ahead, type it in Creative Fabrica, see what kind of, and my apologies, I did forget the T right here, see what kind of books there are under the tarot. So let's go ahead and write tarot, and there's so many different elements and also graphics as well that you could use for both your interior as well as your cover also. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can filter it out by the KDP interiors, and there is the tarot workbook. There is a bunch of graphics as well. This is more of a coloring book that you could also download, especially if you're a subscriber to Creative Fabrica. You could easily download the combination of coloring book, workbook, prompts as well, combine it all together and create a mega tarot workbook to really add value as well. So this is more of a journal printable. These are connected to tarot and chakras as well. So go ahead and check out what's going on, and these were the 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day. If you are interested in such videos, then subscribe to the channel and check out the 30-day free 30-day trial to Creative Fabrica for $1. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.